You ever had one of those days where it seems like everything goes wrong? You try and try, but no matter what you do, things just don't work out. I'm having one right now. As an IT guy, you get used to problems. So I was not surprised when I got a security alert from the main server. Samantha was downloading suspicious files. Again. What did you do this time, Samantha?
What? I didn't do anything.
Okay, what did the computer do?
I don't know. I'm working.
Did you download anything?
What do you mean?
I mean, did you download anything? Anyone sent you a file, anything
Look,
like that?
I already told you, Gus, no. Are we done here? I really need to get back to this presentation.
Yeah. But I'm gonna have to take your computer. The number one threat to corporate servers are usually the employees. They always think that the antivirus will take care of everything. The virus on Samantha's computer had quickly bypassed the outdated antivirus systems. It was bad. I even had to replace some of the hardware. I could only hope that I had it contained. My job was on the line.
Gus? Want to go for lunch?
I can't, I'm busy.
Oh, when you're done in here, could you have a look at my computer as well?
What's wrong with it? Things are never as bad as they seem. They're usually worse. What the hell? It turns out that Samantha was more devious than I thought. Her virus had somehow found its way back to the server, and now the entire network was in danger. I took the usual precautions. They weren't enough. By the end of the day, half the network was infected, and management wanted my head. Then, finally, deep into the night, I had an idea. Why fight something that I couldn't contain, when all I had to do was create my own closed network? Luckily for me, I had enough spare parts to build my own supercomputer and take back control. With my own system in place, I began the search. It was just like a game of hide and seek. It took some doing, but I was finally able to locate it. And when I did, I was not prepared for what I was about to see. Traveled through infinite galaxies, past unknown planets. I had awakened something that had been asleep for an eternity. When the stars were right, it would rise and navigate from world to world, devouring everything in its path. But when the stars were in disarray, it could not exist, and some worlds were spared. The entity was scattered, and one fragment fell into the hands of a man. In his dreams, dark secrets were told, inscribed in blood and eternally cursed. A cult emerged. To this day, they're all around us. And when the stars are right, they will call, and they will answer. Have you ever had one of those days where it seems like everything goes wrong? You try and try, but no matter what you do, things just don't work out. I'm having one right now.
Subscribe to Dust for new sci-fi every week.